The KK-880 is a very powerful tool to drag in objects from a space that reflects our world and bring them out into this plane of space. Once the KK-880 brings that item out of that space, it makes it to where both the mirrored object and the normal object has no visible view. You can't see the object through the mirror anymore. The KK-880 has a complex design and blueprint that makes the KK-880 work its magic. The first thing we'll be looking into is the core box. It is the first tool that powers all the other machinery and contains code to turn on whenever the power button to the KK-880 is pressed. The next thing we'll be discussing is the electric-powered Jacob's ladder that is powered by the core box and spins a cylinder that has aluminum wire rolled around the cylinder at fast speeds, as fast as 200 to 500 miles per hour. From the spinning of the cylinder, the zinc battery's magnetic pole pulls in the energy from the spinning friction of the cylinder and send the energy to the Jacob's ladder. Then the energy from the Jacob's ladder will send a signal to the core box to send its energy onto a different machine in the KK-880 called the multitasking. The multitasking is a machine that can create information to send to the solar receptor. The solar receptor will create the energy into a photon that will be sent to the inner tube. The inner tube will even out the stableness of the photons, making a pattern of that looks like the waves of the ocean. The inner tube will send the photons back to the core box, then the core box will send the photons to these camera-looking beams called computerators. They have 3 different features that are also used. The cellular magnets are like floppy disk but magnetic. Their main thing is to straighten the beam when bringing an object from the mirror world into ours. The energy pockets are used for backups if there isn't enough energy to keep the beam from fading. That is all to learn about the KK-880. Also, welcome to JCL New Scientist. Are you sure this will work?
I don't know.
We'll just have to find out.